Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a different video here. This is a video where I'm not talking about model cars or anything like that, but I wanted to reach out to my subscribers. So I'm really close, less than 100 now to 10,000, and it's very exciting. Can't wait to get there. But I started another YouTube channel. And let me tell you what, if you start a YouTube channel, just ask some of these guys, it takes a while to get traction. It's tough. This new channel is not model car related or anything like that. It's basically me, my family, traveling, if we go somewhere, filming and documenting, you know, things like that. Kind of like when I would go to the antique stores and kind of do stuff like that, but not specifically to model cars. The channel I've named it is Life's the Adventure. Like life is the adventure, but life apostrophe S the adventure. Life's the adventure. Because the theme of it is like, that is the adventure, you know, our life. We can stay home, be bored, you know, twiddle our thumbs and complain, or we can get out and do things. And that's kind of like what, you know, if you're able. I totally understand if people aren't able to do that, but that's the whole theme of the channel, is to like take people, if you can't, go along with me. I've got just a handful of videos. I've had it up for a little while. I hadn't wanted to really reach out to you guys yet because I didn't want to reach out and have like 3 videos. You know, what's the point? But what I'm appealing to you guys is that you who have subscribed to model car videos, if you wouldn't mind, go over and give that new channel of mine a subscription. I'd really appreciate it. And watch the videos. I hope that they're entertaining, and because you already know who I am and know me, I think that brings a little extra along with it. So Life's the Adventure, I'll link that in the description below. We just went recently to the mountains, North Carolina mountains, and did some fun things, and I'm posting those. I've got a few more I've got to post still, but we've been other places and done things, and I plan to just continue to do that. With that said, this is in no way going to end. This is the core right here. This is model car videos, is where I started, and it's not going anywhere. I'm not going to stop with this. Life's the Adventure channel, it won't have near as many videos coming out as model car videos. This is my hobby. This is what I do. But when we go somewhere, I'll take my camera with me and I'll video, and we'll have a good time. So if you don't mind, go over to that channel that's linked in the description, Life's the Adventure, and please give me a sub. I'm asking you, just please do that. It helps to get the ball or the wheels turning. A channel that has no help to promote it is really, you sit there, it's like you're in South Georgia clay gumbo just after it rained. You can't get any traction, and you can see that with the view count on my videos. Some of them have been out for weeks and just literally have like 20 views, if that. So yeah, that's all this video was, but I do appreciate you guys, the model car video enthusiasts. You're my core, and I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for even considering going over and doing that for me, and I really appreciate you guys. You've gotten me to almost 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. 10,000. How many people do we know? If we counted off, like, how many people do I know? What is it, maybe 100, 200 at the most that we really know? I've got 10,000 people, nearly 10,000 people that have subscribed to my channel, and you know, a lot of them actually watch the videos. But anyway, guys, I'm just rambling on. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your help. Thanks for going over, if you hadn't already, clicking that subscription button on Life's the Adventure, and we'll go on some adventures. Take you along with us. So guys, you take care. By the way, I don't have a hat on. It's Sunday after church. This is the only day I don't wear a hat. So we have a birthday party to go to, so I hadn't put my hat on yet. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.